Alright, so this is room R239 here on Carnival Paradise. Now, before we get started, I just want to let you all know, to the left over here is the emergency exit. So if there's any type of issues going on the cruise ship, you're going to be the first one getting off the cruise ship, just letting you know. Over here to the left, it's kind of dark, you can barely see it, but this is your safe. This is free of use, like almost all cruise ships. And then your towels are here as well. You have some closet space over here. So as you can see, it's nice and good in the mount. Now this is on the Carnival Paradise out of Tampa. This is a 4-night cruise, so you shouldn't need too much space, but if there's a lot of people in here, I can see why. Over here is your bathroom. Now with the bathrooms, they do have the shower line if you want to dry your clothes. They do include the shower gel and also, I guess, shampoo. It does have a curtain, which obviously isn't ideal, but sometimes those little doors get kind of tight, so that might be okay. This is the sink, the mirror, that's me. Oh, they didn't upload my toilet paper. I need more than that. So that's that. Now over here to the desk. So I was kind of early, I'll redo it again. But they actually have 5 over here. So as you can see, the European outlet, but then they have 2 standard outlets and then 2 USB outlets right there. So 5 over here. That water is not included. It's $4.50 each if you're curious. Right here, you got your phone right here as well. They do have a mini fridge down here. And it's not stocked, but it is cold, so just kind of keep that in mind. Your hair dryer is right there. You got a little stool for you to sit on. There's some cubby space down there, so that is that. Now, as you all can see, they actually do have bunk beds. So that's a bunk bed right there. That's another one right there, and then obviously they have beds down here. So I mean, essentially, you can have 4 adults sleeping in here easily. If you want to separate that bed, that's possible. And then over here, this is the TV. It does swivel a little bit, and I would assume it's like a 42-inch TV, maybe a little bit bigger. But then right here, you do have some outlets. So I'm not sure why it's only on one side, but I mean, it's still better than nothing. You got 2 more outlets right beside the bed. So altogether, that's going to be 7 different outlets in this room. And then they also have the headlights as well. So yeah, it's not bad. It's nice and clean. It's actually pretty quiet once you're in here. Of course, out in the hallway, people are talking. But yeah, that's it. Carnival Paradise. This is a full tour. And this is, again, one of the cheapest rooms on the cruise ship. Well, it's cheapest rooms on the cruise ship and out of Tampa. Altogether, for about a week, it was about $380. So I highly recommend this. Mr. Bucket List.